So I want to let you in on a secret. I have the Bash Shebang tattooed on me. But now I use fish shell. Here's why. Hey VFC family, it's your boy JW Tech Dev, your venti fried chicken author and global cloud slinger. As a cloud engineer and just an overall Bash fiend, when my friend Paul suggested any shell besides Bash, our friendship almost ended. However, when I stopped cursing him and throwing insults, I realized he was onto something. This wasn't just a replacement, this was something more. The fish shell was special. And when I say ease of use, I'm talking about installation and configuration. The main reason I adopted fish was its ease of use. Now, a brief demo.
So I just wanted to show how easy it is to install on your local machine using my wife's computer, which is pretty much a blank slate here. So brew install fish. Brew is best thing since sliced bread if you're on the Mac. And as you can see, the installation is pretty quick. And all of this will be in the description for this video as well, so don't worry about that. And then I'm just going to clear my screen, and if you see if I type in the word fish, then now I'm in the fish shell, and it really shows how easy it gets started. So on to the features that I really love. So here one is, syntax highlighting, showing if something is bad or perceptibly bad, you get that nice red feedback of, hey, you shouldn't probably be typing that in, that's probably not a thing. Or another thing I love is just the suggestion engine where it's auto completing for you so that you can move quickly. So you'll see me type in a few different things and it says, oh, do you want this random venti fried chicken gibberish? Matter of fact, I do want that venti fried chicken gibberish. Let me go ahead and hit tab and complete that, and now I can access that movie.
So on to the reasons why I abandoned Bash, even though it's tattooed on my body. Although the tattoo does symbolize the good times we had. ZSH and Bash can have a ton of bloat and just overall configuration debt. Fish is lean and mean. It's basically a Gyarados from Pokemon. As a senior cloud engineer, this has also been a godsend, as when we have a new team member, it's easy to get them up and running. I mean, they can use whatever they want as long as they get the job done. But when someone says, what shell do you use? And that's something that programmers actually care about. Then, I'm able to give them an easy shell solution that they can install right then and there. They also don't have to worry about the classic IT, well, it works on my machine, bruh. Whereas with Bash, I had to really worry about pulling my configuration down from the cloud, working with that person extensively for them to get even close to what I had and eventually what I have. The reason this is helpful is the same reason that a lot of sysadmins and devs and really hardcore programmers like Vim is, because you want something that you can trust right then and there on every machine. So with Fish Shell, as long as you have the internet, you can get going really quickly.
So I'm a cloud engineer, so I wanted to show how easily it is to install on the EC2 machine, which is a brand new server. I just did a chmod so that I could SSH in by changing the permissions. I'm just SSH in, which is securely tunneling into that. I'm just going to clear my screen real quick, and then I'm just doing a yum install of Git, because Git is a prereq, and you're going to use Git in the future anyway. This is how you store your code and roll back your code. And then from there, then I'm just going to cd into the repos.d file directory, and then I'm installing fish. And once again, this will all be in the description within this video, so don't worry about all this. But as you can see, I'm able to easily get in and just do a sudo yum install fish and just hit yes again. And then yes again. All these verifications is good. See, quick easy install here. At the mercy of my internet. As you can see, I'm super tired because I tried to sudo into the home directory. And then so I'm just doing the ls showing that there's nothing in my file system whatsoever. And then I just hit fish and I'm ready to use fish right here. As I said, in the description, I'll have all this install info to make it easy on you based on what I've done. And then we look forward to doing more of these videos if you think they're valuable.
So hopefully you found this video helpful. As we get deeper into these new videos, the command line will be a centralized theme, as in cloud you use it every day. Contrary to popular belief, we do code. Let me know in the comments if you're excited to use fish shell now. Bash will always have a special place in my heart, so don't worry. Of course, share, like, subscribe. Shouts out to my first 20 subscribers. Nothing like a forced slow clap. Have a great weekend.
Next time on Fish Shell Z, we will see Fish Shell in its final form as we look at Oh My Fish, OMF.